the leader in hardware field. We use advanced CNC technology, select high-quality materials, and strictly control every production link, provide you with high-quality, high-performance hardware products. All products have the characteristics of high precision, high finish, and anti-wear, whether it as household items or offers supplies. Suitable application scenarios can be found. Easily meet your pursuit of exquisite quality of life. Be our customer and you will have excellent after-sales service. Whether it is a problem during use, or is the product damaged during the warranty period, we will solve it for you in time so that you have no worries. CNC Precision Parts Quality Assurance reasons to choose us. There is only one thing to satisfy you.